Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the Remington HKVAC2000A vacuum haircut kit, a versatile grooming tool for men that promises a mess-free haircut experience. The Remington is a vacuum beard trimmer and hair clipper for men that comes with a built-in vacuum chamber. This unique feature is designed to capture up to 95% of trimmed hair, keeping your bathroom clean and tidy during grooming sessions. It also comes with various lens attachments for versatile styling options. One of the things I love about this grooming kit is the built-in vacuum. It really helps to minimize the mess and makes cleanup a breeze. No more clippings scattered all over the sink or floor. The Remington HKVA has a powerful motor that provides a clean and even cut. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, making the trimming process smooth and efficient. The length attachments are easy to change, allowing you to achieve different hair lengths and styles with ease. I found the trimmer to be very effective in trimming beard and hair. The vacuum chamber effectively captures the majority of the trimmed hair, leaving very little mess behind. It made the whole grooming process much more convenient and hassle-free. The Remington also comes with a cleaning brush to help you maintain the trimmer and keep it clean. Plus, it has a convenient storage pouch that makes it easy to store and transport the trimmer and its accessories. The additional accessories are definitely a bonus as they add to the overall convenience and usability of this grooming kit. To summarize, the Remington HKVAC2000A vacuum haircut kit is a powerful and convenient grooming tool for men. Its built-in vacuum chamber is a game changer as it significantly reduces mess during trimming. The self-sharpening blades, multiple length attachments, and additional accessories makes it versatile and user-friendly. However, it may not be suitable for those looking for a cordless option as it requires a cord for operation. So, if you are looking for a grooming kit that keeps your bathroom clean and help you achieve a precise and even trim, the Remington HKVAC2000A vacuum haircut kit is definitely worth considering. And that's it for my review of the Remington HKVAC2000A vacuum haircut kit. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give a like and comment in my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.